Okay. Coming from the top of my dome when I'm dropping my own type of style, and ain't nobody stopping my rise to the very top. Hit 'em up with all I got. Superstar, no I'm not. Green weed, black Glock. Everybody want a piece, dirty like a pair of cleats. Niggas run their mouth.
Grabe, kami yung mag-asawa yung isa sa mga leaders ng AIM Global Butuan. Nag-join kami sa AIM Global January of 2010 because of the product. At dahil super ganda talaga yung marketing plan ng company, tinarbaho namin ng seryoso yung business. At eto ngayon, after 1 year and 5 months, nakabili kami ng sariling house and lot at Honda CR-V. Ngayon po, nag-average kami ng 200,000 pesos income per month. Kaya yung nangyari sa amin, pwede rin mangyari sa'yo. Kaya mag-join ka na sa AIM Global. Power!
Ay, power talaga ang AIM Global. 1 year mahigit, Kia Rio, 2012 model. Sa mga nanonood dyan, huwag ka nang mag-isip. Walang yumayaman sa pag-iisip. Kaya join ka na.
Niggas wanna be all in my ear like you the paparazzi. Boy, I was full of game way before this rap thing. Real for the money came, that's why I will never change me. Ain't nobody like, even though they try to be. Niggas think they are, but they ain't fucking with me lyrically. I was born with it, didn't nobody teach it to me. Over hot beat, tell you about what the streets did to me.
First time in network marketing sa Butuan City, mayroong naglabasan ng mga sasakyan. Kaya, join ka na! Pasok!
I stay ready with it. Come try to test me with it. Regret you ever did it. Call who pimpin'? I got my own back. You got the baby paper, I got them grown stacks. But this ain't about no bread, not about what niggas said, not about what hoes believe. If you in here with me, keep your ears wide open. On film, no joking.
Nag-join po kami sa AIM Global dahil po sa product. Ngayon po, dahil maganda ang product, hindi namin mapigilan na ma-share. Ngayon, sa kaka-share po namin sa product at sa kaka-share po namin sa business, ito po ang nangyari. Mazda 3 2012 model. Ngayon, ang gagawin nyo lang po, mag-share lang ng mag-share. Yun lang. Power.
come from doing real. We them niggas should not nobody be fucking with. Slab riders, chopper city, had you bitches ducking quick. This ain't about who rap the best. This ain't about who got the most. This is not no gangster rap. This ain't about no pimps and hoes. This here ain't no country shit. Ain't no way to label this. Memphis where I come from.
Invite ako ng mga kapatid ko na mag-AIM Global. Napaka-negative ko po pagdating sa network marketing. After nagka-resulta sila, doon ako nagka-interest. Napakinggan ko yung OPP. After a few months, hinataw ko ng hinataw ang AIM Global. Kaya ito na ang resulta. Brand new Ford Fiesta Sports. Tinake namin yung product, complete tsaka white light. Ito din ang resulta. Baby. Kaya dito sa AIM Global, angat sa iba. Iba talagang AIM Global. May baby na, may Ford Fiesta pa. Kaya join na kayo. AIM Global na.
Motherfucking hands up in the air. If you feel me, throw your hands up in the air. Better keep your ears open. All real, no boasting. Throw your hands up in the motherfucking air. If you feel me, throw your hands up in the air. The motherfucking air. Put 'em on. Put your hands where I can see 'em. Put your hands where I can see 'em. Go ahead.
Grabe talaga sa Alliance in Motion Global. Lahat ng mga pangarap natin pwede mangyari. Ginawa namin yung negosyo, isang taon part-time. With my wife, isa ring OFW. At yung 16 years ko sa government, talagang dito sa AIM Global, natumbasan niya. After 1 year po, nag-resign na kami sa aming mga trabaho. At di na rin bumalik yung wife ko sa trabaho sa abroad. Ito na. Nagresulta na, 6 months after nahataw sa AIM Global, brand new na Toyota Vios 2012 model. Sa AIM Global, gawin na ng tama. Lakihan ng pangarap at huwag magsawang tumulong sa iba. Alliance in Motion Global. Ikaw.
To let you know the deal. 8 ways the company. Beats come from Doom Real. We the niggas real shit, not nobody be fucking with. Slab riders, chopper city, had you bitches ducking quick. This ain't about who rap the best, this ain't about who got the most. This is not no gangster rap, this ain't about no pimps and hoes. This here ain't no country shit, ain't no way to label this. Memphis where I come from, Orange Mound veteran, but I represent whoever live in poverty. Hard working niggas that try to hustle honestly. Man,
Ay, grabe, sa AIM Global. 7 months, part-time, ginagawa ko yung negosyo. Ito na nangyari sa akin. Kaya sumama ka!
if you from the gutter, then I know you heard of this. This ain't about where you from, this ain't about where you be. This here about feeling free, if you in here with me.
Keep your ears wide open. This is all feel, no joking. Throw your motherfucking hands up in the air. If you feel it, throw your hands up in the air. Better keep your ears open. This is all real, no boasting. Throw your hands up in the motherfucking air. If you feel it, throw your hands up in the air. The motherfucking air. Put your hands where I can see 'em. Go ahead and put 'em on. Put your hands where I can see 'em. Put your hands where I can see 'em.
Yeah, 8 Ways, Dorilla, Collab, Slab 2 is going down, baby. It's your boy Milwaukee. Stop playing.